Hey guys, it's Tech Tutorial 22 right here. Today I'm going to show you how to access any website that has Adobe Flash blocked. So today so now so for t- you have to head up to the right corner where this puzzle is. Well, first you have to hit enable flash, and this will pop up right here, add up blocked. Once you click on that, you click on manage. Then you click on, when this was right here, you click on and switch this to ask first. And then when you go here, when you refresh, when you click on enable flash, okay, okay. So it will allow it to do after you switch it. So after that, you just had to refresh. I guess we have to reload. I guess, and then we have to enable this. Okay, what's going on? Let me block that, and then we just enable flash. I guess. Okay, so it says right here that Flash Player will no longer be supported after December 2020. So we just had to allow, so it won't work after this is like January 1st, 2021, so it won't be there. So yeah, that's how you allow website. That's how you access website that has Adobe Flash that's blocked. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys later. Bye.